gonna show my slimes. Where's the cap? Three. This one's first. See if you can see it. I think that's great. It's shiny. It's very shiny. Yeah, it's blue. So on here. Ah. ¿Qué pasó? Estoy en el cuarto. Estoy en el cuarto, papi. ¿Me buscas? Aquí estoy. I combined these two together. Not all of it. Just pieces. I'll leave you what to use in the comments down below. Comment down below. Show me your videos if you didn't and like this video. I'm gonna do more videos of slime.